if Jamaica ever nice one more time. Me say me got Jamaica. Waiting on my baby for call me. Guess what happened? Because me stress free, I'm a good at the sunshine country. Massa, you want to see how me drop asleep on the phone? When me wake up, me and no somebody will drop asleep. But when me wake up, somebody got a picture for me, to show me how me drop asleep on the phone. Me say to the person, say, make me tell you something. Jamaica really nice, you know. Because for me to fall asleep on the phone, it must be a miracle. If them did tell me by mouth, say me fall asleep, I would say I lie them a tell. But because them caught me red-handed and take me picture and have the evidence to show me, so then catch me pan the tape, me not have nothing to say. But boy, me couldn't do better more than to sleep. Because as me said before, is a stress release. For me to drop asleep with phone on my ears, plug in at that, you know. When the phone could have catch a fire with me, you know, me sleep like a baby. When me wake up, me find say me ears a get hot. Put down the phone. Boy, I wish I could go to Jamaica every day. And I wish I didn't have to come back here. But because of the do and the money we have to work, to send back home, it's just here for work. Recreation no nice. No sporting no nice. But just the work and the money. You will find like a soulless at church. Please tune in. Next video. To all my subscribers, I can say thank you for watching. Thank you for viewing. And for those who scroll past, I thank you as well. And for those who make the comment, the good and the bad comment, it builds me. I thank you as well. And I can say a big shout out and a big thank you to all of you. I really do appreciate you. I felt the love. And I felt the warmth. Stay good. Be blessed. I'm here just to take you down memory lane day after day. Back in the days. Back in the Stone Age. Back when man used to ride donkey. And every walk the donkey, walk the man would have use the piece of stick and go so. With the loaded donkey tired so tail. But master have to beat the donkey for the donkey carry the load up and down the hill. I come for reflect on the good old days. Sometimes I mix a like English with the patois, but me still no forget me patois. You know that some places in a Jamaica, like St. Elizabeth, where you bend a go, and St. Anne's have the little accent there too, you know. But St. Catherine say, go down there. It's nice when you can see some of we Jamaican, we still not forget where we are come from. But some of who know we take the kiss me ass pill. You remember when you used to go on the waving gallery and you used to wave goodbye to your loved one? But some of who come here and you take the kiss me ass pill. And when you swallow the kiss me ass pill, you come here and you say, who? Me no like Jamaican. Me not associate myself with Jamaican. Me not have nothing to do with Jamaica. Jamaica nice because when me go down there, me I eat mango for me And me I eat mango fuhuno. Never forget where you coming from. Never forget it. Listen to me. You can't come at the people them country and I try to become American. Even when you get the citizenship, try have a little heart of Jamaica. Because Walipa foreigner run guard Jamaica, you know. Just to speak the language and just to live there, to enjoy the beaches and enjoy some things we who know nah enjoy. We who know give up. Other people are running down. I'm going to have a home back in Jamaica because I love it, love it, love it, love it. Me just wait till the market come down. So, do what you gotta do. Please like, comment, share. Thank you.